Does your baby need endless rocking and shushing just to drift off? What if the best way to help them self-soothe sooner were simply a few gentle tweaks to the way you play together each day? Stick around. A new MRI study of 95 infants uncovered the link, and we'll share 3 surprising habits that turn frantic cries into calm sighs. I've walked the hallway mile at night, wishing there was a Head Start button for self-soothing. And researchers may have just found one inside a 3-month-old's brain. Scientists scanned the white matter wiring of 95 healthy, full-term babies at 3 months. Those fiber tracks, think communication highways, predicted which babies would grow more fussy, more cheerful, or better at calming themselves by 9 months. Translation? The first 100 days already hint at future temperament, giving us a window to nudge things in the right direction. And here's the eye-opener. Stronger wiring in a pathway called the cingulum bundle could forecast a jump in positive mood and soothability, while a different route signaled which baby might get extra cranky. We're not talking destiny. Early brain maps are plastic, meaning daily experiences can still redraw the lines. So, how do we stack the deck for calm? Let's dive in. 1. Serve them rich, positive input. 5 tummy time minutes on a textured mat, a short playlist of gentle music, or face-to-face chatter with your baby pumps healthy signals through the same tracks that were linked to better mood. 2. Answer their fussing fast. The study flagged one pathway tied to rising crankiness. Quick and calm soothing teaches those circuits that the world is safe, easing the climb of your baby's negative emotions. 3. Keep their routines steady. When you're consistent with sleep, wake, and feeding times, it cuts the stress on your baby's developing wiring and gives the brain stable conditions to mature. So, even on rough nights, aim for the same order. Dim lights, soft song, crib. If the routine slips one night, just pick it up at the next nap. Consistency over perfection. The full MRI study link is in the description or at smartstartparents.com. Hit subscribe for more science-backed parenting tips and drop your go-to soothing routine in the comments. We'll build a calm baby toolkit together. Every gentle habit you start today shapes your child's tomorrow.